Welcome back. This is John Locke, and today I'm talking about this new feature that Google is rolling out. And this is a beta feature, but I don't have it in my data center yet. I'm not seeing it in my search, but they have announced that they are rolling this out. This is a special icon that provides more information about the source of result if your connection to it will be secure, like HTTPS and more. And you can see kind of a GIF of what it is, and they're searching 401k tips, and there's a little 3-dot icon, the kebab icon, and you click that and you get more information about the site, whether the connection is secure. Is kind of like a extended, it's a little like a miniature knowledge panel about the site to give you more information about where these results are coming from. And I think that this is a great addition. We'll go to the article about this. People want to know that they're getting good information from a good source, and they're integrating what they know about the site. Now, a lot of sites out there are not going to be on Wikipedia or something like that, something similar, but they might have information about how long the website has been up, when Google first indexed that site, or any other information that they might have about it to give people better information. And this is all about establishing trust in the sources of the results. So I think this is a good thing. Let's go through this article really quick. It says a quick way to learn more about your search results is by J.K. Kearns, the product manager of search. It was published on February 1st, 2021. And it says when you search for information on Google, you probably often come across results from sources that you're familiar with, like major retailer websites, national news sites, and more. But there's also a ton of great information on services available from sites that you may not have come across before. So when they show up in results, you're like unfamiliar with it. Should I trust this or not? Okay, you can always use Google to do some additional research about those sites, but we're working on a new way for you to help you find info without having to do another search. So starting on February 1st, we're going to start rolling this out. Next to most results on Google search, you'll begin to see a menu icon that you can tap to learn more about the result or feature where the information is coming from. So with this additional context, you can make a more informed decision about the sites you may want to visit and what results will be most useful for you. And here's that GIF that they showed once more. So in this one, they're searching 401k tips. A little tray comes up right there. Money Under 30 is a personal finance website specializing in financial advice for young adults. That's from Wikipedia. It says connection secure. So that gives you more information. That's pretty cool. So when available, you'll see a description of the website from Wikipedia, which provides free, reliable information about tens of millions of sites on the web. Based on Wikipedia's open editing model, which relies on thousands of global volunteers to add content, these descriptions will provide the most up-to-date, verified, and sourced information available on Wikipedia about the site. If it's a site you have not heard of before, that additional information can give you context or peace of mind, especially if you're looking for something important like health or financial information. Okay, so in this example here, they're showing results. I don't know what they're searching, but it's something about COVID. And then there's the World Health Organization, and then the Lancet.com. And then in this example, they're showing the Lancet is a weekly peer-reviewed general medical journal. This is why you should trust it. It's peer-reviewed. Doctors review the information. It's among one of the world's oldest and best known general medical journals. So hey, trusted site. Google said way back, we want to push brands. Now in this case, they're just showing you more information, and you would think that after a while, brands that are trusted will rise to the top naturally with people going to these sites. And it says right here too, this is a search result, not an ad. Only ads are paid and they'll always be labeled with sponsored or ad. Okay, so this is pretty cool. So it says, if a website does not have a Wikipedia description, we'll show you additional content that may be available, such as when Google first indexed the site. For features Google provides to organize different types of information like job listings or local business listings, you'll see a description about how Google sources that information from sites on the web or from businesses themselves and presents it in a helpful format. So if you're a local business trying to rank and you come up in results, or if it's a job listing or something like that, you'll see where Google is sourcing that information from. Most often it's going to be from the website itself, but it's also going to be from third-party sites. And in this example, this is jobs for work from home, and it says source, these are job listings from across the web. This is a search result, not an ad. So you're aggregating stuff from around the web in this particular result. Now, you'll also be able to quickly see if your connection to the site is secure based on its use of the HTTPS protocol, which encrypts all data between the website and the browser you're using to help you stay safe as you browse the web. Now, if you need quick access to your privacy settings or want to learn a bit more about how Google Search works, links to resources are just a click or a tap away. We'll begin rolling this feature out in English in the US on desktop, mobile web, and the Google app on Android. We hope this makes it easier to learn about the results you see on Google and find the most helpful information for you. Now, HTTPS, many hosts, web hosting companies provide a free SSL via Let's Encrypt, which is a rolling 3-month basic SSL certificate. You can also purchase SSLs to enforce secure connection HTTPS protocol at many different hosts, but yeah, a lot of them provide a free SSL at this point too. So this is a very interesting thing, and I am highly anticipating this because, quite honestly, this is going to reward sites that have a long history of being accurate, helpful sources of information, and it's going to reward sites that have a large, well-established footprint on the web and have a long contextual history of providing good information. This information that's going to bubble up, whether it's from Wikipedia or the site itself or aggregate information that Google is getting from that site. The focus is very clear. It's more on being a reliable, trustworthy brand that has accurate information. Sites that have a lot of links and have a reputation for being trustworthy and have a lot of information about who's running the site. These are all things that are in the EAT, in the Google Search Quality Rater Guidelines. Again, they want to know who's running the site, they want to know who's creating the content, and the bigger brand you are, probably the better that you're going to do over time. Anyway, this is my site. This is Lockdown Design and SEO, and we're here, I don't know, we're here several times per week making videos on SEO, and if you would like to check us out, you can do that. We have a YouTube channel right here, and we publish quite often, so come and check that out and subscribe. And like I said, I would love to see you subscribe to the YouTube channel. We have a lot of good stuff coming on that. That's all I have for now. Till next time. Peace.